Hello, everyone. You may notice my channel recently, about a week ago, upload this tutorial how to make a bucket hat, sun hat. The response is surprisingly popular. One reason I'm going to make this video, the purpose is according lots of questions, messages. They want me to show them how to make kids hat. Kids, children hat according to different age how to make this style of hat. So I decided to make this video, just show how you make the pattern according to different people's sizes. Okay, you can see the message in here. That's one. To make this bucket hat, we need 3 pieces pattern A, B, C. I will use a different color code to show you where we are. Now we're going to make A, which is the top piece. Okay, the first thing is that's just normal A4 piece of paper. You just it's cut 2 strip. 1 strip won't be enough. Just cut 2 pieces of strip of paper. You can glue them together. That's how you're going to glue them together. 1 piece won't be enough, that's why. Okay, like that. We're going to make a I planned to show you how to make this video, how to make the sizes. So I actually bought a hat model just to specially show you to do that. The piece of paper. Then we're going to measure her her head size. You can see, go around it from her top to forehead. Go around it. That's the first step you're gonna do. Okay, we can see it here. What you can do now is cut it. Use clear tape and stick them together. So if you're gonna make a kid's hat, adult's hat, a different size, big or small, all you need to do, the first thing, measure the from the forehead, go around. Make a perfect circle as possible. Okay. The best thing maybe just find the middle. That might be roughly all right. I think that would be okay. So we try use the right lens, but we can make a perfect circle start with as possible. You can see that one will help you with the right right around your head. Also, it's a perfect circle. Now we can cut it. Now it's A is complete. A is complete. It's according child, adult, anybody size you make is circle. Okay. Okay, you can see that's A. They just perfectly fitting. Okay, now we're going to make A we complete. Now we're going to make B. Okay, B is you see where I tape it. We're going to use half of this. Get a piece of paper, because we go to, when you sew it, you go to round the half and another half. We're going to make half of B. Okay, let me get B, and that is the length. That's the pattern length you need. That's the length you need. So that's the length. For the width, we need get a model here. And we're going to find her middle of her middle of the forehead, middle of the forehead, from there roughly, and you get a hard book, put on top of the head, and you're going to, from the book to there, you're going to measure it. Okay, that will be the width you need. So you got the length from the half of the cone, from there, that will be the width. Okay. Okay, now we got A, we got B, now we go to make a pattern C. Okay, okay, for pattern C we need half of pattern B here. Okay, need to fold it, and because here the curve is not straight, what you need to do, start from there and move it down to there. Okay, start from there, move it to there. So that's the pattern C length. With the width, we know that it's a B early on. We need to reduce it for 1 centimeter. Reduce it. That's B's length, but you reduce 1 centimeter. That will be C's length, width. See, be down here. So that's the size we're going to work on. Again, make sure they're straight. use Acrylic too. Okay, and now I have completed the pattern for you according to my own model. You use the same idea. You can make your own pattern for kids, for a teenager, for your husband, friends, for anybody. You just follow the same, follow the head size, and then you make the head according to the size A, B, C. And I hope everything is clear. And next, then you just follow my video and make the bucket head. Okay. Next step, I'll very quickly show you how to cut out the material for the three patterns. Okay. So you got A, B, C. I made the pattern and also show you how to cut material. Rest of the step you just follow in my another video, which is super popular, super pretty, super nice, super comfortable for summer. It's well worth try to give it a go. I hope you're very successful and you love the result. Thank you for your support and the continuing support. If you have any question, do please ask, and thank you very much. Bye.